Science is not just something you learn in school, it's all around us. And today we're exploring 5 fun, safe and mind-blowing science experiments that you can try at home. From colorful chemical reactions to floating objects, glowing liquids and surprising physics tricks, get ready to see science in action. So let's begin. Our first experiment is the classic volcano eruption. You only need baking soda, dish soap, and vinegar. When you mix these ingredients, a chemical reaction releases carbon dioxide gas, which causes the foamy eruption. The dish soap makes it bubbly and dramatic. This experiment is safe and perfect for a science demonstration. Experiment 2 _ invisible ink. For the second experiment, we're making invisible ink using lemon juice. Write any secret message using a cotton earbud. When the paper is heated, the lemon juice oxidizes and turns brown, revealing the hidden writing. This simple experiment demonstrates chemical oxidation. Experiment 3 _ floating needle trick. The third experiment is the floating needle trick. Although metal sinks, a needle can float on water due to surface tension. When placed gently on a tissue, the tissue sinks but the needle stays on the surface. Soap breaks the surface tension, and the needle suddenly sinks. Experiment 4 _ glow in the dark water. Next we have glowing water. Open a highlighter and place the ink tube in a glass of water. Under a UV or blacklight, the liquid glows brightly. This happens because fluorescent molecules absorb ultraviolet light and release visible light, creating a glowing effect. Experiment 5 _ the balloon skewer trick. For our final experiment, we are piercing a balloon with a skewer without popping it. Balloons have stretchy polymer chains. When you insert a skewer through the thicker parts near the top and bottom, the rubber stretches instead of bursting. This demonstrates elasticity of polymers. And that wraps up 5 fun and safe science experiments you can try at home. Each experiment shows that science is full of surprises and works in simple ways around us. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment which experiment you want to see next. Thanks for watching.